Hey everyone, this is Daniel from JuppLee, and I'm going to be speaking about how I helped a client fix an account which was suspended for unacceptable business practices. The account has been unsuspended, so we're going to do a quick documentary. So I received the email on the 9th of December 2023 at 7:08 p.m. The time now is 11:11 p.m. So sorry, 11:46. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, just under 5 hours, give or take, to get this account fixed. So the first thing I'm going to do is confirm the account number 537497601. So if I go to the accounts, excuse me, 537497601. And already we've had 92 impressions, and this is the account is unsuspended. So how do we do this? Well, first of all, let's just backtrack. The client was suspended for unacceptable business practices. So what we did is we created a new account under our agency name. We then replicated what we thought was causing the suspension. The ads run, we got a few clicks, and then the same day that we created the account, because I mean, if you look, we had no impressions on the 8th. This is a brand new account or a new campaign, so you can see the 8th we had nothing, and then on the 9th we created it. And in fact, just to prove a point, I wonder if I can do something. It's not going to show me the hours here. I could have shown the hours. But anyway, we created the account today, the 9th, and then it got, well, you can see the email. It got suspended on the 9th, which is today, at around 7:08 p.m. So once we created the account, it got suspended. We changed a few things within the account, and then we did the appeal. And then, as you can see, we got the account unsuspended. So now this is an IPTV solution, and then the account has been reactivated. So, I'm pleased to announce to my clients and to the whole world looking that, unacceptable business practices, we can get fixed. The thing you have to do when you do these appeals, you have to address these issues. You can't just tell Google, hey, everything is fine, if you don't address the fact that, Google believe you're trying to trick people or the website is in violation. You're going to keep on getting the email saying that your account was and is still in violation. So if you need our help, please reach out to us. We're happy to help you. All right. Well, thank you for watching.